So in our barangay at Balawag, for the social dimension, we actually do things in unity, regardless of tribe. So whenever there are problems being encountered by the community, elders usually sit together, talk together to solve the problem. Then that is the strength of the community. They really talk together, um, taking all the ideas of the elders, and we call this as an amicable settlement, as the best solution for problems that arises in the community. In the cultural part dimension, um, Balawag people really give respect on cultural traditions. They they are trying to sustain, or they are trying to what do you call that? Yes, sustain the cultural traditions and practices of the tribe. Then for our economic dimension, people here, though not all, really respect ownership, individual ownership. For example, when it comes to land, ownership in land, real properties, people respect ownership of other people. Yes. Uh, no less problem on land conflicts. Less problem. So it's usually what they do is just work on your own land, have an income from your own land, and ganun. So they have that kind of characteristic. So if ever they work on other properties, land property of other people, then they would do sharing, if that is sharing, where there is the part given to the owner and a percentage to the worker. Parang ganun. Then for the ecological dimension, that the greatest challenge maybe we have in the barangay, because we are not that with not aware of aware, or maybe we do not know how to maintain good environment. So it's like people destroy environmental nature for income. Parang ganon. So parang hindi nila binibigyan ng or they do not consider plants or trees as maybe as sources of other sources of funds, but instead we destroy. So we destroy trees just to have land to plant other crops, and we do not also practice in the place waste segregation. It's not also observed in the place caring of water sources, maintaining water sources. Parang wala masyado sa mga tao dito na i-care nila ang pinanggagalingan ng tubig, or paano ba, wala masyado nakakaalam kung paano mata-take care ang water sources. Then so that's a big challenge to the school, a challenge for us, mentors of the school, on how we would impart those ideas to our students, then to the community as in a wider dimension.